crossing Australia, on a motorbike, solo, unsupported.
Yeah, here we are at Birdsville. We'll just call it Birdsville. Yeah, just woke up and had a fantastic sleep in the Birdsville hotel, motel, such and such. So it's a Birdsville airport behind us. Planes here. I think they're the ones that live here. Birdsville Aviation. Birdsville pub's just down the end there. And I'm walking up to the Birdsville bakery, about 5-10 minute walk way over there. So I'm a bit hungry for breakfast, but yeah, beautiful dawn there, sunrise coming up, incredible colours. Just need that river to go down so we can start the journey towards Byron Bay. It's a fair way to go, probably a couple of days to get there. Here we go, kids, about to start the 210 up.
Clear up.
So Dan's our pilot. So 1979 210, 9,000 hours. viewers, look at that sunset in the background. We're on the road to Bowery. Very straight roads. They go on and on. Almost dark. We've got about 20 k's to go. But the sunset is incredible. Righto. 20k to go. Welcome back, viewers. We're on a road that's coming into Winton, then Longreach. We're heading home. So very green out here, as you can see. Just had a little stop, something to eat. Obviously, toilet run. Yeah, we're heading home. Long way round. So I left Birdsville yesterday, stayed at Bowery last night, and now we're heading wherever we can get to today by sundown. Bike's going well. Keep going. Still another 1600 k's to go. Welcome back, viewers. Last night in Morven. It's about 600 plus k's from home. We're on our way home. It's the last time we pack the bike, we hope. And we're heading out there, we're turning right, and we're going home. Oh yeah, we are going home. Whew. Good feeling. Gotta be careful getting close home, that's when the accidents happen. So gotta keep focused, keep on track. Oh man, what a journey, eh? Right. Ready. Oh, it's a lot colder here in Queensland. Close these vents. Whew. This is it, guys. Last night done. We're heading home. We're heading home. Everything's out. Let's go do it. Come on, girl. Get me home. You can get me home. You can do it.
take it. Take whatever we can get. Come on, baby. Usually like our 95 or 98, but we've got 91, she'll be right. The RZ's, she'll run on end of it. Here we are at Morven truck stop. 600 plus Ks out of getting home. Oh yeah. G'day, how are you?
Good, mate. Just checking out your fucking fuel tank there, mate.
Oh,
That's a monster.
I just come from Perth,
Oh, yeah, right.
so I've gone across Australia through all the deserts and
Yeah, right. Shit on, mate.
I live in Brisbane, so I'm almost to the end.
Yeah, how was it?
Oh,
Incredible.
mate. At any time, the shit could have hit the fan.
Yeah, right.
And you are gone.
Did it hit the fan, though?
You heard of the Gun Barrel Highway?
No, I haven't.
It's in the remote Gibson Desert in WA.
Yeah.
And no one there.
Yeah, right.
And yeah, the bike fell on me and I was under it, and that thing weighs over 200 odd kg.
Yeah.
And I had one shot to get this left leg, and because my right leg's jammed under it in the sand, and
Yeah.
had to push it up, put my helmet under it,
Yep.
push it up, put the helmet under the tank, kept pushing it under just to get a wiggle, and then I slightly got out.
Wow.
I was so happy.
I bet you would. So what's the reason for doing that, mate? Just something you've always wanted to do?
Yeah, just a challenge, and you know, crossing Australia, you know, on a motorbike, solo, unsupported.
Yeah. What an experience.
Can you do it?
Yeah, well, it can be done because you're fucking here.
Yeah. Simpson Desert. Yeah, that was hard. Yeah.
Oh, good on you, man. That's fantastic.
Thanks for that.
What a story.
Yeah.
Hard, mate. No worries.
Thank you.
All right, mate.
Braved in the gun barrel place.
All good, mate.
Yeah, you heard of the gun barrel?
Yeah, I've heard of it. I looked at it. I've considered doing it.
Yeah.
Looking at somebody else.
Yeah.
Isn't that thing?
It's so remote.
Yeah.
And in that you got to do about 10k an hour. It's so bad.
Yeah.
And something goes wrong, no one's coming for a couple of days.
Yeah. Was that time the only time you went, why the fuck am I doing this?
Oh, there's a lot going through this thing, yeah. But we're gonna keep going. Thanks, fellas. See you later. Thank you. Yeah, I will. Ah. Here we go. Homebound, baby. I got it.
Fucking hell. You just pulled in there.
Yeah. Ah.
And so you're not going to Byron? Too fucking far.
Yeah. No, I've done my crossing. I've done my crossing, so that's it, Cam.
So that's a week and 2 days.
Hey, mate.
Congratulations,
Good to see you.
Cook. It's fucking great, man. Fucking good to see you, I tell you.
I said I had to give all you boys a hug if I got through.
Fucking hell, I tell you, it's done a fucking great job, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Just to fucking get out there and do that. Those fucking drone videos are second to none.
Yeah,
I've sat down and watched them and watched them and watched them, and I thought, fuck, they're good.
yeah. I wanted to do more, but it sort of takes a lot of time to set it.
Yeah.
It doesn't really, but because you're just focused on wanting to get somewhere, you don't want to stop. Yeah. So I had to really force myself sometimes. But no, they are great. Make a difference.
Oh yeah.
Show you from up above.
What a trip, eh?
Oh, fuck.
What a trip.
It's surreal. It feels like it didn't happen. Like I've just come from down the road. And yeah, there's another nearly 700 k's today.
And what time did you head off?
7ish, yeah. I left earlier yesterday for that big run in the dark because I knew I had to get some k's done.
You did 1100 k's.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, nearly 1100. Yeah, so it was close to that.
That's a big day in a car, let alone on.
I know.
She wore the knobby down.
Oh yeah, the front one goes up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
It's like, see this one here?
Yeah.
Seems higher.
Yeah.
So this is not, it just doesn't, it just goes up, down, so it's funny, hey.
Well, it's done some hard k's, too.
Well, yeah, we're nearly at 6,000, yeah, that's original, it's done the whole trip. So it's, 6868.